excited?
Yeah,
I
me
know.
too.
I can't wait. I've never been there.
No, me too.
We wanna like, so we are gonna party on the sea.
Yes.
We are here, Yona Beach Club. Yes. Gata.
Matapos nga ang puksaan ng evening gowns kagabi sa welcome gala dinner, sumabak naman ang mga kandidata sa photoshoot sa Yona Beach Club in Phuket. Ibinahagi pa nga ni Veena Pravinar, Miss Universe Thailand, sa kanyang social media ang ilang kaganapan sa Yona Beach Club ngayong araw. As usual, everyday nga ay inaabangan at sinusubaybayan ang puksaan sa styling at aurahan ng two main stars ng kompetisyon na sina Thailand at Philippines, kasi sila talaga yung mainit sila talaga yung laging inaabangan at tinututukan. As usual, mag-aura at outfit check na naman tayo. Sa lahat ng activities nila hello, Miss Universe competition today. Bawat galaw mo bawat susuotin mo, inaabangan ng lahat. So, 'di ba? Simulan natin kay Veena. So ginulat nga ni Veena ang mga pageant fans nang lumabas ito suot ang kanyang see-through purple dress, kung saan makikita ang kanyang inner white swimsuit, ponytail hairstyle, plakado ang makeup. Consistent si Veena sa kanyang pamalakasang pag-aura-aura. What I love about her is that hindi siya bumibitaw sa character. Whenever there's a camera, kapag may napansin siyang camera nakatutok sa kanya, automatic talaga uma-aura-aura talaga siya. Performance kung performance, and I love her personality. Ang ganda ng look niya today, pero it's good but it's not the best. I'm going to give her look today a 9 out of 10. Fair enough. Now, ang inaabangan ng lahat, si Atisa Manalo, Philippines. So, apparently, nakasuot siya ng off-shoulder dress na may pagka-cyan and electric blue ang color. Naka-braids yung hairstyle niya. Magandang makeup, plakado din. I like the statement earrings. Ganda. So, makikita na see-through pala yung outfit niya, just like Veena, kasi makikita mo din yung inner swimsuit niya. I like this look of her today. Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung color na sinuot niya. You know what? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Mas bagay at mas na-awaken yung star power niya kapag mga striking colors ang sinusuot niya. 'Di ba? Lumalakas yung stage presence niya. Ganyan ka-importante ang choice of colors sa outfit, especially when you compete sa beauty pageant. Kasi, kung ako yung candidate, iisipin ko na there are over 120 candidates na lumalaban din sa styling. So, dapat iniisip ng candidates, paano kaya ako magsa-stand out dito sa sobrang daming mga magagandang kandidata at palaban din sa styling, 'di ba? So, importante yung outfits. I love her look today, in fairness. And you know what? Atisa is now growing on me. What do I mean about that? Before kasi, I was so skeptical about her chance of winning. Kasi, I would always see her everyday smiling and too much smiling. Which is, hindi na okay. Kasi too much smiling translates into lack of power. Plus the fact that sobrang hinhin pa ng personality niya. Kaya in the beginning of the competition, I was kinda skeptical about her chance of winning. I was doubtful because I was always commenting about her lack of facial expression din, other than too much of smiling. But oh my God, look at the face. Now that's what I'm talking about. Show us the power in your face. Yes, girl, it's so nice na nagpapakita na siya ng variety sa facial expressions niya. Look at that. I love it. Kasi this really adds an X factor on her. Diyos, ang ganda. Nakakadagdag kasi siya ng commanding presence mo Also, in relation to this, after the gala dinner last night nga, I don't know if these photos were edited or not, but oh my God! Look at the force awakened from her face. Dai, napaka-powerful at dramatic ng facial expressions niya dito. Ito yung sinasabi ko na paulit-ulit dito. Add some drama in your face. I love, 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 love it. If dito ako magbe-base sa photos na to, Dai, pinataob niya si Vina, Dai. And we all know that Vina has very strong dramatic eyes. Pero grabe, I love this. I saw the video as well from MUPH IG. Talagang nag-e-execute na rin talaga siya ng drama sa face niya. Oh my God! This is what I have been waiting from her. And finally, unti-unti ko nang nakikita yung liwanag sa kanya. Sa chance niyang makuha ang crown. Oh, if only she can manage to hold and keep this power in her personality, especially sa closed-door interview, prelims, and finals. And if I were one of the judges, I would put her into the top 20 with no hesitations. Diba? Now, back to her look for today. I love it. I saw the power. Nag-improve talaga yung stage presence niya kasi grabe. She's adding variety na on her face and bagay talaga sa kanya yung striking colors. I'm giving her look today a solid 10 out of 10. Ayan, anong hanash mo, Dai?